Hi, so let's do some simple Igbo sentences today. You can call it phrases. See, phrases, very important because it's these phrases that form sentences in every language. Not in, I am going to market. I am going to market. Anamaga ahia. Some people say afia. It's still the same thing. I am going to market. I am going to market now. Anamaga afia keta. Anamaga afia keta. I am going to market now. Now is kita. I am going to market now. Anamagafia kita. I want to eat more food. I want to eat more food. Achọrọ m irikwu nri. Achọrọ m irikwu nri. Achọrọ m irikwu nri. I want to eat more food. When you're eating food and you're not yet okay, you say rijubem, erijubem, erijubem. You say erijugum, erijugum. Do you understand? Erijugum. You're eating. Don't forget to like, to share, to subscribe. Click on the link in my bio and follow me on my YouTube. And I'll talk to you soon. Sooner than later. Bye.